This will be a brief introduction to the OMMC clinic. At this point, coming to the OMMC clinic for a physical exam and obtaining your state registration paperwork for a first-time medical marijuana card or a renewal medical marijuana card will be a pretty simple process. The easiest way to go about things would be to fill out the intake packet online ahead of time. What that's going to allow us to do is fill out all of your paperwork that we're able to on your behalf in advance. So it's pretty important, I guess. So basically, what we're looking at right now is the set of liabilities forms for the physician-patient relationship. If you want to just make sure that you read through all of the bullet points on this form, and then we'll go over how to do a signature here now. So you have the ability to type your name in, and basically whatever you type in is going to render a digital signature. So we'll just do this style. Also, if you wanted to take a shot at this or have the ability to on some sort of touch device, you can also take a shot at signing your name as you actually would, maybe, and it'll also apply that. I'm going to personally go with this method. Looks a little bit cleaner. And we'll go on here. In this upper right-hand corner, you'll see we have all of the remaining blanks. Anytime that you click on this, it's going to take you to the top blank as far as from the top-down method, the next blank that needs to be done. So I'm going to briefly go through this, and then at the end I'll point out a couple of other things. What we have here is another spot that just is signifying that everything that you have provided is true and accurate. You'll just want to make sure that the signature that you applied above gets applied there. We have 10 more blanks here. This is another spot where we're going to have to put some input in. It's going to give us a spot to do our initials. So I'll do OC and apply that all the way down here. Notice the number in the upper right-hand corner is getting smaller as we go down until there is just one spot left, which is this blank here. So anytime that we click this, see it's making us go to that blank. We'll go ahead and apply ourselves there, and we have the click to sign. Clicking this is going to send your email that you've provided a copy of the document that you could print off and keep for your record. The other thing is it will also send our office a copy that we're going to have to view digitally at the time of your appointment. At that point, there won't really be anything for you to do besides arrive at your appointment about 10 minutes in advance of the scheduled time with your government-issued photo ID, which could be a driver's license or a passport, something along those lines, and the remaining balance after you've paid your deposit. The appointment overall will take about 45 minutes to 90 minutes, depending on the workflow of the day in the office. We typically have water bottles, snacks, and reading material available for our patients at all of our clinic locations. Finally, I'd like to just point out the click to e-sign button in the bottom right-hand corner. Clicking this button will send our office a signed legal document with all of your submissions, as well as a copy to your email, and give you the opportunity to download a copy at the time of completion as well. At this point, you'll just need to attend your physical examination with a government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Thanks again for filling out the intake form in advance. This is going to allow for a very efficient clinic visit. At this point, you will retrieve your paperwork from our office and submit it to the state via certified mail to complete the application process.